There's no denying that Google is the most used search engine on the web. The name Google itself is synonymous with looking something up on the internet. But did you know that Google's homepage is full of cool surprises and fun Easter eggs? Here's the top 10 best hidden secrets of Google. You really want some pizza tonight, but your significant other is in the mood for tacos. Not to worry, Google's got you covered. You can settle life's little squabbles with a quick search. Type flip a coin and let Google make the decision for you. If you're lucky, you'll be enjoying a nice slice of pepperoni. And if by chance you're studying the laws of probability, go to Google and type roll a die, and you can finish that math homework in no time. Something's just a little off about this next one. Type in the word askew in the search bar, and all the results will be slanted. Go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom. All of the search results will be tilted ever so slightly. For those of you who don't know what askew means, Google made sure to put the definition right there for you. Check out this awesome shout out to StarCraft players. If you type Zerg Rush into the search box and hit enter, you'll have to act quickly. Defend your search results against Google's marauding O's. These little buggers come at you from all sides, so make sure you scroll down to the bottom as well. Honestly folks, I've never successfully gotten past the kill count of 50. Go ahead and give it a try, and post your own scores in the comments section below. Currently, the Guinness World Record is 136. Can you beat it? If you can, then GG to you. Feel like playing a game that's a little more retro? How about typing Atari Breakout, then click the Images tab. You are now destroying bricks with the bounce of a digital ball. You can use your mouse to navigate your paddle back and forth to keep the ball in play, but I recommend using the arrow keys for added precision. After you win the game, Google shows you images of a random topic. You should take this opportunity to play a game with yourself. Whatever pops up, learn everything there is to know about that topic. It's a fun and easy way to learn about the world around you. Okay, so now you have an appetite for retro gaming. How about a good old game of Pac-Man? Just type Google Pac-Man in the search box and get ready to chomp some power pellets and chase multicolored ghosts around an 8-bit logo. Have you ever played 6 Degrees of Kevin Bacon with your friends? That's the game where you try to connect celebrities to Kevin Bacon in 6 films or less. Well, Google's got you covered. Type in any actor and then type Bacon number right after. Google will show you the connection between your favorite celebrity and old Footloose himself. Be creative with it. I typed in some names and was totally surprised. I spent hours typing in names trying to stump this thing. Lil Wayne, Sammy Sosa, Betty White, Kanye West, yep, all connected. Even the president, Barack Obama, has a Bacon number. Kevin Bacon is the center of the Hollywood universe. So you just found out that you don't have a Bacon number, and it feels like your world is crashing around you. How about a little pick-me-up? Just type in Google Gravity and click I'm feeling lucky. All of the icons at the top of the site will fall down towards the bottom of the page and bounce around like Neil Armstrong on the moon. You can even click on the icons and throw them around. If you're a fan of Nintendo 64 Star Fox, or you just like looking at spinning website, then you'll love this next one. Type do a barrel roll in the search bar and watch your world get flipped turned upside down. Now you can dodge incoming enemy fire with this awesome Easter egg. Google's multicolored logo has been tantalizing your eyes for a very long time. But do you remember what Google looked like in ye olden days? You don't? No problem. Just type Google in 1998 in the search bar and get ready for a blast from the past. Oh my god, look at that logo. Google is a worldwide powerhouse and is out to prove that the world revolves around them. Just type in Google Orbit and then click I'm feeling lucky. Watch the homepage swirl and spin as you move your mouse around the screen. The text on the screen revolves around the center logo. Also, all the links are still clickable, so make this your homepage and either impress your friends or completely blow their mind.